Hello, and welcome to your LiveSwitch contact dashboard. To start a conversation or request a video recording, click Send Now. Enter the customer's phone number and click Send. Before your customer joins, your video tile will be displayed in the upper left corner of your device, and once your customer joins the call, they will be on full screen. In the Conversations tab, you're able to review recent conversation history and any recordings. To review more details about a specific conversation, click the pencil icon. Here, you will see detailed information about your last conversation, review or edit any details needed, as well as view the customer's recording. On the Contacts tab, you're able to review each customer in your LiveSwitch contact dashboard and their information. Again, by clicking the pencil icon, you can make any changes or additions to your customer's information. By selecting the trash can icon, you can remove a customer from your dashboard. Ready to get started? Just head to your LiveSwitch contact dashboard by logging into your account at app.contact.liveswitch.com or contact help@liveswitch.com for assistance.